I'm Don Benton here in South Carolina, and I ordered this big beautiful building from Eagle Carports. It was installed by Mario, Sergio, and crew. They put it together perfectly, perfect fit. The building is strong. Anyone that's interested in the building, I recommend Eagle Carports. Couldn't ask for more. The crew that put it together, you didn't have to follow behind them because they followed behind themselves. They double-checked everything. Everything fit perfect. I'm proud of it, and Eagle needs to be proud of those guys. Thank you.